Alright guys, this is a after shot of using the Salt Off Boating 4x4 wash. You can see that all the salt's off. Now this was this engine here. I don't know if you can see, but it's bloody, you can't even see any marks. It's not perfect, there's still some watermarks on it, but I mean, it's got a majority of it off, so that sells it for me. I did just use like a microfiber cloth to dry it off, so I don't get any watermark, because you know, I live up in the Pilbara, the water's pretty hard, so you gotta sort of dry it off. But yeah, that's what sells the product for me, so it's worth 90 bucks. And excuse me. Yeah. If anyone has any questions, let us know. Cheers.